そのうち1500頭の牛を連れてキャットルドライブに出かけるが、留守の間母さんを頼むぞ。こんな時お前たちが生きててくれれば力になってもらえるんだが、俺に。
When John Wayne left, it wasn't the Stars and Stripes that appeared, but rather the red ball of the Japanese flag. And while I was falling asleep, I had the craziest thought. Where I am now is the center of the world. Every shitty television set, no matter where, is the center of the world. The center has become a ludicrous idea, and the world as well. An image of the world, a ludicrous idea, the more TV sets there are on the globe. And here I am, in the country that builds them all, for the whole world, so that the whole world can watch the American images.